I rarely buy a whole case of one bottle. I did this time. Stay tuned. So as I was saying, welcome to this week's episode. I rarely buy a whole case of wine, but I was thinking I need a good house red wine that goes with everything I normally eat, and I hope this works for you too. One of the things about staying inside with all the pandemic and the coronavirus that's going on is I've been having a lot of food brought in, and I've been making a lot of food, and it's so nice to just go downstairs and pick up a bottle, and I don't have to worry too much about pairing because it's going to go great. Well, that's the wine I have for us this week. It's a Rioja, of course, and it's from Vina Otano, and it is just a delight. It's about 90% Tempranillo, as you recall from some of our other episodes, and I'll put the link below about some Rioja wines. Tempranillo is the grape that's really famous for making the Rioja wines. Well, this wine is just delicious. It's about $15, and I'll put in the description box some other places you can find it. I got this at one of my local wine retailers. And I think what's so nice about it is it's not too tannic, not too acidic. You can drink it on its own. Oh, it smells so nice. Some nice plum and black cherry. Oh, it's just delightful. So I think it's going to be so nice with, I've had this from everything from Afghan kebabs. I've had it with pasta. I've had it with macaroni and cheese. And I've also even had it with pizza. And it scores a hit every single time. So a very nice producer. They've been around since 1886, and the winemaker has a very famous nephew. The nephew of this winery, his uncle is very famous for Vega Sicilia wineries. Wow, some of the most highly acclaimed wines in the world, especially from Spain. So they just do a great job. They're sustainable. It is, I can't say enough about how wonderful this wine is. So I went ahead, got a case of it because it was just too good to pass up. So I think if you maybe are someone who likes Cabernet Sauvignons, maybe from California, the Central Coast, I would say, or Merlots, or maybe you are a big fan of Chiantis like we are here, this is going to be the wine for you. So again, about $15, maybe $20. If you're looking for a red wine that is going to be just worth a whole case because you could always grab it and drink it and not worry about it, this is the wine for you. So what a great discovery. I think you've been watching my channel for a while and you know how much I absolutely am in love with the Spanish wines. Incredible value, great quality, and this one definitely holds up. In fact, it had a 91-point score in the Wine Enthusiast magazine. Again, we're not big point followers around here, but I agree with them. This is just a delicious wine. Well, I hope you give it a chance to try the Vina Otano. This is the 2016 Crianza. And you may be wondering, what's the Crianza? Well, the Crianza is a way for you to know that the wine has been aged in barrels for at least 1 year, and then it usually sits in the bottle for maybe another year, so 2 years worth of aging. So what a great find, right? So try it. Please try it. I'll give you links to some places that you can find it. I would love for you to try this wine. Let me know what you think. Again, a case for me, and I hope you enjoy it. And thank you for sharing our channel with your friends and family and coworkers. I sure appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe and like. Wow. And drink more Rioja. Cheers, everyone.